So for today, we are reviewing for the cumulative a little bit. And I'm just going to review what you can do. Number one thing you could do is you could take the cumulative today. If you feel ready, and there's a kid who has an AP test tomorrow, so I said, yeah, you could take the cumulative today. So if anybody else wants to take it, you want to start immediately. Otherwise, which the vast majority of you are not going to take it today, what you are going to do is your homework, which is a Schoology quiz that I just opened up. So open your iPad to the Schoology area, and in the Schoology class for me, you'll see a Schoology quiz. That's what you do today. You should feel free to talk to the kids next to you because the problems are the same for everybody. So, feel free to talk about what do you think the answer for number one is. Do you think this equation works or not? Ask them what's their opinion. So talk to people, complete that Schoology quiz. What else could you do? There's a worksheet that's basically a lot like the test, and it's got a key. So you should do that. That was assigned yesterday. You should have been done with it by now. If you haven't finished it, finish it. And then for most of you, the cumulative is just tomorrow. But again, if somebody needs to take it right now, they can. So that's what we're doing. If you need help, walk up and ask me for help. And that's all I got for you for today.